Can you explain the two-step URL and why it's so important?
Hey, Kyle. Nice to talk to you. So what the two-step URL does is it simulates a search. So the reason why it's so important and why I tell everyone, if you're doing any type of marketing that's coming from off of Amazon, whether it's like Facebook, influencers, anything, you always want to use a two-step. The reason for that is the reason it's called a two-step URL, which people don't really get, is it's not going directly to the product page. It goes to a landing page that is a search result, but you're filtering that search result to only show your product. So when they click through on your product, that's the only one listed, it loads your product page with a timestamp and with the keyword and everything. So it looks to Amazon like the person searched Amazon, found your product, and then clicked through it, and then you get credit for that keyword. If you go directly to a product, you can put a keyword in that URL, but to Amazon, it's not going to look like a natural search. It's going to look like a link that somebody posted off of Amazon just to go straight to the product. So it's not going to carry as much weight.
Okay, good to know. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. No problem.